Hi, I'm Brian Butt, member of the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum, working on the M8 Greyhound project. So you probably remember me from previous films, such as M8 Greyhound Update Part 1. So Part 2, we've got the exhaust fixed. We've been working on new gaskets at this end and also down at the far end as well. Both gaskets were completely blown through, so just shopped around and managed to get ones that fit, bolted them on. That was an easy fix. As you can see, we brought her in originally for the brake maintenance. Right now we're finished. Brakes are all buttoned up. New cylinders are installed after they've been sleeved. So all 12 wheel cylinders have been sleeved and we're ready to put things back together. Just waiting on the master cylinder. Okay, what's hanging up now is a couple more fittings to go on here. Then once we install the master cylinders for both the clutch and the brake system, we can then proceed to bleed the system. So what we end up doing is pressurizing the master cylinder with fluid and then going around each wheel cylinder, open it up until we actually get no more air, we just get fluid coming out. By that time, we should end up with a nice solid pedal and away we go. Okay, once we get that done, our next step then is the more mundane maintenance stuff. So oil change and then follow our lubrication order. Just make sure that all the things are greased and all the fluids are topped up. Then we're ready for the road. 3, 2. Okay, if you're interested in following this project or any of the other projects here at the museum, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or at Ontario. So if you're interested in this project or any other projects we're doing here at the museum, you can follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Or if you're interested in this project or any other projects here at the museum, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or tankmuseum.ca.